DJI Mavic Air is its smallest, smartest foldable drone yet. DJI reminded everyone once again why it's the best drone maker in the world. On Tuesday, DJI unveiled its newest foldable drone, the Mavic Air, and it might be the company's most impressive quadcopter yet. At about the height of your average smartphone, the Mavic Air is half the size of 2016's Mavic Pro. It's also 41% lighter than the Pro, too, making it the company's smallest drone ever. See also, 6 things you need to know before flying your new drone. Available in 3 colors, black, white, and glossy red. The new Mavic Air is available for pre-order immediately and ships on January 28. The standard drone package with a redesigned controller starts at $799. An extra Fly More package comes with extra propellers and starts at $999. Small as the drone is, DJI wasted no time telling everyone how powerful it is. First Mavic Air test flight using hand gestures. Twitter.com/ff6ject. Raymond Wong, @RayWongy, January 23, 2018. First, let's get to the video capturing, because that's what people use these type of drones for. The Mavic Air is capable of recording 4K video at 30 frames per second. Sorry vloggers, but theirs is no 60 FPS option. It also captures 1080p slow motion video at 120 frames per second. But by far the coolest new capture feature is something called Asteroid, which creates a 32-megapixel spherical image that also includes a short video clip. It's kinda wild. Asteroid mode on the Mavic Air shoots a short video clip in a spherical panorama. Twitter.com/virtuso4uk. Raymond Wong, @RayWongy, January 23, 2018. There's also another really fun boomerang mode that helps you shoot some more cinematic aerial shots with minimal effort. Like a real boomerang, the drone starts out from above, pans over to the side, and then to the back, essentially rotating a full 180 degrees. DJI says this'll be great for shooting things like sunsets. The drone also captures 12-megapixel photos. All of these new camera capabilities are enabled by the new 7-camera system built into the Mavic Air. The foldable legs and landing gears are even packed with technology. They house the drone's antennas for better connectivity to a phone or controller. The controller, by the way, is smaller as well. The control sticks are now detachable. And speaking of controls, the Mavic Air is still controllable with hand gestures. Whereas the Spark's Jedi-like controls were a bit wonky, often hit or miss, DJI says it's improved them to be more responsive. Mavic Air has 8 GB of internal storage, so you don't need a micro SD. Twitter.com/v6isn before you. Raymond Wong, @RayWongy, January 23, 2018. DJI's drones are more than just great aerial cameras. They're also the smartest in the business, and DJI is furthering its lead in this department with the Mavic Air. The drone has DJI's usual signature obstacle avoidance technology, but now it can actually plan a flight path and intelligently dodge obstacles, climbing and descending, and tilting. All you have to do is push forward on the control stick. It's impressive stuff, and from the short demo we saw, it works. Should make flying through a forest easier for beginners. Mavic Air knows how to plan a flight path around objects it encounters. All you have to do is push forward on the controller. It'll dodge objects and climb and descend to avoid them. Twitter.com/T0K7jkuho. Raymond Wong, @RayWongy, January 23, 2018. And, of course, the Mavic Air is powerful. The company says the drone can fly for up to 21 minutes on a single charge, has a range of up to 2.5 miles, and a max speed of up to 42.5 miles per hour in sport mode. We'll have more hands-on thoughts on the Mavic Air on Mashable. But first thoughts, wow. The price is right. The size is right. And the performance and capture capabilities also hit the sweet spot. This might be the drone